Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guys is going to be a little bit of grocery haul. As you can see, my daughter's showing you stuff. Well, my daughter's being the camera, so I'm trying to be in front of the camera today. But it's a little bit of grocery haul here today, and I'm also going to clean out my fridge because they are disgusting. And I have a bunch of food in there that's been here for a while, so I'm going to go and take them out, discard them, clean them out, and reorganize so the fridge is a little bit better. So this is what I picked up today. Also guys, if you're new, welcome, and for my returning subscribers thanks for being here. And guys, from me to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, thumbs up the video, and share. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, without this long talking, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I picked up today. Alright guys? Alright, what I picked up today, I picked up some Ritz crackers, 18 packs for school, because most of these items are for school for my kids then. Yes, so I picked up their little snacks and the meats, little stuff here and there for school. I also picked up 3 of these Nutri-Grains fruit bars for them. This is the blueberry. I picked up the multi-grain one, which is the mixed grain one, and I picked up a strawberry one. Okay, and I picked up these things right here. These are Jamaican beef patty. You don't have to come all the way from the camera. Back it up where you can see me. Thank you very much. I'm talking to my daughter. This is what I pick up there, Jamaican beef patty. Oh my god. I'm from Jamaica, I'm Jamaican. So when I see these over here, I always get them so much. They're like 96 cents at Walmart, and I'll pick up way more than I need to, but hey, can't go wrong with these. So I pick up 6 of these. Even my little young one, oh my lord. He took the meat. So I pick up 6 of these. I pick up a toaster strudel for my son for school because he loved that. Both of them love these for school. I pick up a 24 count of Coke. I pick up 3 of these Capri Suns. I think these are the new flavor. I'm not sure. I have the Tropical Tide on the Splash Cooler, and this is the Mountain Cooler. And I also pick up some steak. Well, not steak. Sorry about that. Some ground beef. I pick up 2 shrimp. I pick up a jumbo. I really realized I pick up 2 separate rounds. I pick up the jumbo, and I pick up the extra large. I pick up a thing of chicken drumsticks. I pick up 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese, which also were 96 cents as well, not bad. And I picked up the chicken fried stuff to make like fried chicken or anything like this. I pick up 2 muffins. I pick up a blueberry, and I pick up a banana nut. And I also pick up a some pork chops. Pork chops from there. As you can see, it was $13.64 for that bad boy. And I pick up, like I said, I pick up 2 of these, which is not bad. And I pick up some rice. Yeah, I'm throwing them now. What else? Oh, and I also picked up some goldfish to put in their stuff for the goat chili salad as well. And I picked up 3 of these hair fryer stuff. Oh my god, I tried these the other day because I said they didn't have any of the Louisiana fried chicken batter. My kid was drinking the coffee. Anyway, y'all, let me know in the comment down below if when you get coffee from Dunkin' or anywhere and you leave it for 2 seconds, your kids decide to take a drink out of it and be hyper for the entire day. That's what he did. The other day I went to buy, actually it was yesterday I went to buy coffee, and I went to do something in the room. When I come back, he was drinking like nothing. He was drinking away like it didn't faze him or nothing. I'm telling you, this kid was up for the entire day. He didn't know. So drop a comment down below and let me know if that ever happened to you. When you buy stuff like any drink, anything you have, you leave it for 2 seconds and you turn around and start drinking. But yeah. So like I said, I tried these the other day. I was doing some fried pork chop, and I was like, I didn't have any, and I realized I had this up in my cupboard, and I tried it. Oh my god, it is so good. And I also need to get a hair fryer because our hair doors are really handy, so I'm going to go ahead and check those out. But like I said, this, I like it. It's the Louisiana hair fryer stuff. This is what I picked up 3 of these. And I picked up some first treat for my kids because you like this as well. And this is what, the 12 pack as well. And I pick up some Cheez-Its. These come with 12 and they have like different, there are 4 each, different flavor in the pack. And I also pick up 2 of these Lipton tea. Woo! Good. What I pick up, I end up picking up the Georgia peach, and I pick up a half and half. I pick up 2 of those. And I also, last but not least, like I said, it's not going to be a long haul. I also pick up a 40 count of water as well. So, and I'm going to also go ahead and, so guys, this is all I have pick up today. So if you guys love to see, drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think and stuff. Like if you ever tried the hair fryer before, let me know how you like it. So far, like I said, I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the cleaning of these fridge because they're disgusting and organized, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do it. All right guys, let's stick around and wait for the final result. Alright guys, I'm starting out in this fridge over here. I have not cleaned out this fridge since my son's 6th birthday, and that was like last month. So I have not cleaned out. I've just been storing stuff away. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out all this of the declutter, clean, and just wipe everything out and organize this fridge over here. As you can see, I have a KFC box in this fridge, and there was no chicken in there. It was an empty box. Let me know if your kids ever eat something, put by the empty carton back in the fridge, or drink a little bit and left like a tiny bit of drink in the cup, so you have your all hopes ready to look. I have some juice in the fridge. When I shake it, there's not even a teaspoon in there. Drop a comment down below, let me know if your kid ever done that to me. This is one of my worst pet peeves. I think if you're gonna drink something, finish it off. Don't leave it in the fridge and then expect somebody to come and have their hopes up and think there's something in there. There was nothing in this chicken box. It was an empty chicken box sitting on top. Now you tell me you can't go ahead and just put it in the garbage? So let her comment down below and let me know if it happened to you, alright? As you can see, I'm going ahead and cleaning out the bottom fridge. I give my daughter the 2 bottom part. Where I keep all my fruit, all my veggies in the bottom part. So I'm going ahead and clean that part out. And it's nothing more satisfying than having a clean fridge for now, because you and I know this fridge is gonna stay clean for the period of time, and then a day or two is gonna go back to the way it was before. And you're gonna see my little helper pop up in here somewhere. You know, it wouldn't be a cleaning video unless my helper is in there trying to help me or trying to make a mess and think he's helping me clean. So you're gonna see him pop up here in a minute trying to help mommy clean something. and clean up this freezer. Y'all, this turkey was in the freezer since Thanksgiving because they had a sale and it was cheap. So it's in the freezer. Turkey never go bad. Yes, y'all know that. So I'm going to put it in the freezer. I'm going to go ahead and clean this freezer, organize it. And I'm going to put all my meat in this freezer because my other freezer, I was putting meat in there, meat in here. So it was just all over the place. And my husband suggested something the other day. So, babe, why don't you just put the meat in one and put like the rest of stuff them in the other one? So I think that was a great idea. So this is what I'm going to do. Just move the meat from one freezer and put it in this freezer so everything stay organized the way I want it to be in the first place. I just didn't know how to go about it. So he just jumped in and suggested and say, hey, how about we do this and do that? And it did work out. Everything so neat. It was meat in one pot, one freezer, like I said, and then other stuff in the other one. Like in this freezer over here, I have like my meat, and in the door, I'm gonna put like some the ice cream and stuff on the door because it couldn't fit in the other one. So I'm gonna go. And the other fridge that I have, I end up putting like what you call it, breakfast item for my kids and everything else that pretty much looks good in there. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Alright guys, here I am in my other fridge like I was mentioning before. I have the fridge over there that I keep like juice and stuff, and this one I keep like bunch of stuff in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and look on the dates and see what doesn't belong and what needs to be go in the trash. Y'all, I forgot to put this in the clip, but I have an entire big trash can of expired food. This is how long I have not cleaned out this fridge. You know, when you get busy as a mom, that's the one thing you forget about. You just want to get up, go, make sure your kids and eat, the house taken care of, dinner cooked, the house is in one order. And the last thing on our mind is, oh my God, we got to clean this fridge. So this weekend I decided, no, I'm going to declutter this fridge, organize it so it's a little bit better. So drop a comment below if you ever somehow just get so busy during the day in the week that you somehow neglect something in the house. Doesn't matter what it is, it get neglected to the, oh wow, I need to get a hold of this, wrangle it, so to speak. So drop a comment down below and let me know what have you ever done before. This fridge was a mess. You're gonna see the freezer. The freezer was like this disgusting. It was like meat froze, like the juice of the meat frozen and like crumbs and everything. Y'all gonna see. Sorry for the messiness, but hey, it's life. It's real life. I'm not making anything up. It's real life. That's what happened in a real life. You do forget to do stuff while they're trying to figure something else and cleaning and all this extra stuff.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
So basically what I'm doing here is organizing this part of the fridge. You know, you have the fridge, 2 door, this 3rd door, and whatever door. So this is where I keep all the sodas and the kids and juice for school. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize all the juice in here, like the juice and the water. So this is where I keep everything, so it's more easy acceptable or whatever the word is for my kids to go ahead and get drink from out there. And also, guys, if you're new, welcome. I know I've said that before, and thanks so much for being here. And for my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for always returning and showing us some love. I am going to go ahead and tell you something about me. My name is Kadeen, and the name of my channel is Mama Bear Plus 3. And yes, on my channel, guys, you will find motivation cleaning, you will find decluttering, organizing, and everything consists of a mom life. So bear with me, and I really hope you guys love this content. And if you do love content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and thumbs up the video and share video. However, guys, I am gonna go ahead and change the days that I upload. I'm gonna start upload Fridays, Tuesday, Fridays, and Sunday. And I'm gonna change the hours from 5 Eastern Pacific and 8, somewhere around there, like between 5 and 8 o'clock. So I think it's better because I'm realizing I'm not getting enough viewers and enough subscribers. I'm gonna go ahead and change it up and see how it works out for me. Let me know in the comment below if that sounds good, and if any suggestion that you guys suggest I do to improve my viewing, my subscribers, just drop a comment below and give me any suggestion. I'm welcome to any suggestion you guys have. I'm open-minded, I'm willing to learn, and I'm willing to take it in and run with it. So please go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think of me changing the days that I upload. Thanks. This was the mess I was talking about. This is so gross. That was stain, I think the meat was there or something that froze up right there, and these are all the crumbs. It was so gross. I apologize for the mess. Like I said, things get away from us every once in a while. We do get busy. We do forget that we have stuff to do. So forget the mess and forgive me for this mess. It does happen. Okay guys, this is the end result of me cleaning and organizing my fridge. Alright, this is so neat. So what I end up doing, I end up putting all my meat in this freezer. So here I have like the turkey, the chicken, the what is that? Salmon, and then I have like the rest of meat over here all organized. This is also meat over here and onions and stuff. And on the top shelf I have like the ice cream and stuff. It is so much better than before. And this is the bottom half of this one. So I end up putting some juice over here. I end up putting some muffin in here. So I always put muffin in the fridge. Right here you have the egg, your bread, and I have to put it veggies because I'm gonna use it in a minute. And these are like some waters. My husband little Budweiser and stuff like that. And in there I have the condiments that we use. The bottom I have like potatoes. I have my butter right there, and then the bottom I have like orange. Over here I have like my carrots, like that's normally vegetables that you use to cook with. I put them in the bottom. And on this half of the fridge I have like this little stuff. It wasn't a lot, so I just use it over here. And over there is a little container of stuff that I have, and these are like the apple juices and stuff. So yeah, this is the fridge. So much better, so much better, so much better. This is driving me crazy because it's not even as I want it to be, because there's one was a little bit outer than the other, but it's a little bit crazy. Okay, so awkward. This is that one. Okay, so overview of books in French. Alright, y'all. Meat, all the stuff. And over here in this one, you have, like in this one you have, I put all the milk over here, my Gatorade, and up here I have like my coconut water, my supplement, that's Jamaican supplement as well. In here I have those little, you never, when you go to like the stores and they give you a whole of the sauces, so in a college when I have some in there, then obviously making sure that I keep in the fridge to keep the fridge really smelling good and fresh. And here I have all my juice over here. I have this, I'm gonna try this. This is the watermelon Mountain Dew first. Here I have like In here I have like these little cinnamon buns and stuff like that. I have some little bit of butter, I have some bologna, and I have tomatoes over here. If you guys can see, I'm gonna use this now because I'm making some lunch, so I'm putting it right here. Here I have all Coke. I end up getting, like I said, I end up getting a 24 can of Coke, so some is in here. And this is this cheese. I have all this is all the cheese in here. On this side I have some Capri Sun in the door, some more Coke. There's not really up here, this little stuff, so yeah. And on this half of the fridge, obviously, condiments again. You have like your mustard, your mayo, your hot sauce. And here I have the kids and yogurt and all this stuff, so they can get to that. And here I have these are pretty good, but I like the strawberry one more. And if you don't really like sparkling water, not for you to each his own, but these are pretty good. These are really good. I haven't seen those in a while, so I've picked up some of those. So yeah. Overall look of everything. Then I'm gonna show you the freezer next. Here is the bottom of the freezer. I didn't put anything right here because I didn't want to right here I have some Dr. Pepper right here. I didn't want to put anything here because these were here from yesterday, so I put these right here, water, and some more Capri Sun for school or snack, whatever they want. Yep, all clean and neat, organized for right now. For now, believe you me. Let me know in the comments below as soon as if it's like me, as soon as you finish organizing your fridge, the kids and just come, and your husband, whoever just come and just mess up the fridge. Like, okay, you clean it, no, we mess it up. So drop a comment down below and let me know if that happens when you finish clean and organize your fridge. Alright, on to the freezer part. These are all organized, as you can see, all neat and organized. So right here, these are the snack they can put in the fridge, or not the fridge, in the microwave oven over there. So obviously you have your French, you have your Texas toast, your pretzel. These are like all pretzels as well. And this is my favorite. These are the Carnival funnel cakes I find at Walmart, and these are popsicles. And these, like I said, this is my Jamaican beef patty. I have a bread in here. I have some chocolate covered cookies. I have their waffles, some more little stuff right there, and this is the toaster strudel. At the bottom I have like, you know, little stuff they can eat. Like I said, I'm keeping all this little stuff in here, frozen stuff. Over here you have your little freezer stuff I can blend up. This is some meatball style. Obviously your Gordon Parmesan crusted fish. Here I have fries, sweet potato fries, and then I have the family style little quick meal fix. And over here again I also have some more meatball, and then obviously my mixed veggies. So yep, this is what is it looking like. Again, if you guys like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and thumbs up this video, please guys. And please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This will do my channel some good. I really appreciate you guys for watching and sticking around me. And if you guys stick around to the end, leave a like a drink emoji, a heart emoji, and let me know you guys still here to the end. All right, I will see you guys in my next one. I'm gonna off to my bedroom to declutter and organize that as well. All right, so guys, now I'm off to clean up my living room, my dining room, to get it all in order. It wasn't too messy. I'm surprised it wasn't too messy. I try to keep up with the living room every single day. Like I vacuum every single day. Like I said, I have a young one running around and he tend to put stuff in his mouth, so I try to vacuum every single day. If I don't do anything else guys, I make sure I vacuum and pick up every small little thing off this carpet, off the ground, so he won't put stuff in his mouth. So it wasn't too bad in this day when I'm cleaning, which was really good. So it didn't take me that long to get stuff done and just keep everything back in order the way it was. like I said, guys, the living room was not that dirty. Like I said earlier, I try to keep up with this living room every single day. Because in the morning when I get up, like from Monday to Friday, I get my kids ready for school, get them out the door by the time I come home. I make sure my dishes is done, the living room is tidy up and vacuum, because I don't want my kids them to pick stuff up and put in their mouth. So I'm going to go ahead and put these stuff and let's spruce it up, so to speak. I still need to go ahead. I'm still waiting for my curtain because I need to take off all this yellow and put a different color in here. I'm just waiting for the FedEx guy to deliver my curtains. I'm still waiting for that. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this little. Now I'm gonna do some laundry. I'm gonna fold this up and put it away. Like I try to do the laundry once a week because I'm trying not to make it pile up on me. Because y'all know, if you've been with my toilet for a while, y'all know I do not like doing laundry. So I try my best to keep up with this laundry. So every weekend, every Sunday, I make sure I do a load every single Sunday. If it get more before then I attack it before the weekend comes. I'm just going ahead and fold up this. It was one load, which is amazing. Didn't take me that long to do because I have my son's school clothes to get organized and everything, get ready for back to school for Monday morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this clothes fold up and put away, guys, and I'm coming to the end of this video. Again, guys, if you like what you see, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, thumbs up this video, and share it with your friend, family, and loved ones. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for always coming back to my channel to watch, support, and just show me some love. I really do appreciate you guys, and I always say, like I said, guys, I love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you for everything. Now, guys, have a blessed and wonderful week. May God bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Now let's finish enjoy the rest of this video. Bye, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.